Today, let's talk about a fitness secret that not only transforms your physique but also supercharges your testosterone levels. I am talking about the incredible world of calisthenics here. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's get this journey started. Now, who doesn't want to boost their testosterone naturally? Imagine having more energy, increased muscle mass, and a confidence boost to conquer your day. Well, calisthenics might just be the golden ticket that you've been searching for. First things first, let's talk testosterone. It's not just a male hormone, it plays a crucial role in both men and women. Now, here is a science that is not shared often. Engaging in the right kind of exercise can give your testosterone levels a significant kick in the right direction. And enter calisthenics, a form of exercise that utilizes your body weight as resistance. This means you are not only just lifting weights, you're mastering the art of controlling your own body. And trust me, your hormones will love you for this. So the obvious question is that why choose calisthenics over other forms of exercise? Well, it's not just about the impressive feats that you have seen on YouTube. Calisthenics is accessible, versatile, and can be tailored to any fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there is a calisthenics routine just for you. Plus, the beauty of using your own body weight is that it promotes functional strength, the kind of strength that matters in your everyday life. So let's delve deeper into the fascinating connection between calisthenics and testosterone levels. Well, studies have shown that compound bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and pull-ups stimulate the release of testosterone. It's like a natural elixir for your body, promoting muscle growth and fat loss simultaneously. So let's get down to the details, shall we? How exactly does calisthenics work its magic on testosterone levels? When you engage in calisthenics, especially compound bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and pull-ups, you're triggering a hormonal symphony within your body. These movements require multiple muscle groups to work together, and that's where the magic happens. First up, intensity. Calisthenics workouts often involve high intensity and short burst movements. Studies have shown that this type of exercise, known as high-intensity interval training, can significantly elevate your testosterone levels. HIIT, a key component of many calisthenics routine, puts your body into a state of metabolic stress. And this stress, although short-lived, signals your body to produce more testosterone to cope up with the demands of the exercise. Now, let's talk about the beauty of compound movements. When you're doing a pull-up, for example, you're not just working on your biceps, you're engaging your back, shoulders, and core. This recruitment of multiple muscle groups simultaneously triggers a more substantial testosterone release. Think of it as a symphony of strength within your body. The more muscles you activate, the more testosterone your body produces in response to the workload. But it's not just about building muscle. Calisthenics, being a highly effective form of cardiovascular exercise as well, contributes to fat loss. And here's a fact. Excess body fat is associated with higher estrogen levels, the hormonal counterpart to testosterone. So as you shed those extra pounds through calisthenics, you're promoting a more balanced hormonal environment, allowing testosterone to exert its effects without much interference. Let's talk recovery. Calisthenics emphasizes bodyweight movements, reducing the risk of overtraining compared to heavy weightlifting. Adequate recovery is crucial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. So, by giving your body the time it needs to recover between sessions, you're optimizing your hormonal balance. Remember, it's just not about the workout, it's about the recovery that follows as well. Last but certainly not least, let's touch on stress. Chronic stress is a notorious testosterone killer. And the good news is calisthenics, with its focus on mindful movement and control, can be a powerful stress buster. As you flow through your calisthenics routine, you're not just building physical strength, but you're also fostering mental resilience. This reduction in stress level contributes to hormonal harmony, creating an environment where testosterone can flourish. Calisthenics isn't just a workout, it's a lifestyle. It's about pushing your limits, embracing challenges, and in the process, giving your testosterone levels the boost they deserve. It's not just about the visible gains. It's about the hormonal symphony playing within you, enhancing your strength, vitality, and overall well-being. Now, go ahead, hit that workout mat and let calisthenics unleash the testosterone boosting power within you. So until next time, stay fit, stay focused, and keep pushing those boundaries. Bye for now.